In this video, we are going to solve the following quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So let's recall that the quadratic formula tells us that a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has solutions x equal negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in our case, a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is 10. So let's plug that into the quadratic formula and see what we get. So we get x equals negative b, so that's negative 3, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this simplifies to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40 all over 2, which simplifies to 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 31 over 2. So now I'm going to rewrite the square root of minus 31 as the square root of 31 times the square root of minus 1. And why am I doing this? Because minus 1, the square root of minus 1 equals I, which is an imaginary number. So now I can rewrite this as 3 plus or minus square root of 31 times I over 2. And now I can break this up and write it in terms of a real part and imaginary part. So that would look like 3 over 2 plus or minus the square root of 31 over 2 times I. So in this case, 3/2 is the real part, and the root 31 over 2 times I is the imaginary part. And so here this tells us that the solutions are going to be 3/2 plus root 31 over 2 times I, and 3/2 minus root 31 over 2 times I. So these are the solutions to our quadratic equation. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.